Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you guys a really quick and easy way to clean your eyelashes, because what I would do is, I would wear them and then I would throw them out. So instead of throwing them out and repeatedly buying new ones, you can clean them like really easily. So all you need is like a little bowl. I'm using this one, hot water and soap. So I'm using dishwasher detergent soap. And I just throw my eyelashes in there, and then you know when they're ready because, oh, and you need a pair of tweezers. So you know when the glue is ready to come off, because the glue turns white. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, it turns white, and then with tweezers, it's just really simple to just peel the glue off. And then you also want to go like with the water and soap, go like this to make sure you get all the glue off the actual hairs, and mascara, whatever you have in there. And then if you guys can see the white glue, the glue turns white. And then with tweezers, just peel them off. Right now it's like really wet, so it's easier for me at this moment to just go with my nails if it's on the hair. But when it's on the band, it's easier with the tweezers, and it just comes right off. You gotta be careful, because sometimes you can like peel the hairs off too, and you don't want to do that. This one is good to show you guys. You guys see how all the glue turned white? That's when you know it's ready to come off, that it's sat in the water and soap long enough. This is the eyelashes that I just cleaned. Just gonna let them dry. And as you can tell, there is no glue left on them. And when you're all done cleaning your lashes, they should have no like white glue on it, because like I said, the glue will turn white after you have it in the water and soap. You guys could just let it dry on a paper towel, and then that's it. You could reuse them again. So I really hope this helped you out and saved you money, so that way you could just reuse your eyelashes and don't have to throw them out and, you know, purchase new ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.